Yes, sir. We can see entirety of the district in Angla city. That a very good school is there. Honorary school. And today we've been complete 20 years completed, and today you're celebrating the science exhibition along with it. So what would you say, sir?
Actually, we have been arranging such or that is different activities in our school to give a right platform to the students. We are giving emphasis on the scientific temperament of the students, so that students can make a proper way of whatever the things they have learned in their books, they can implement by practically. That's why we are engaging our students so that they can get motivated in order to develop whatever they have learned from the books. That is why we have been arranging this type of exhibitions time and again.
So we can see the students of the honor is very smart, very active. How will your school run? How they used to teach? The way of teaching is very different also.
Yeah, this is the credit goes to our teachers. We give proper training to our teachers by bringing experts from different places, and they continuously come to give support to our teachers, and with that support we are doing these things.
How many teachers do you have, sir? And how many classes are there?
We are having from class nursery to class 10 in the school section. As well, we have a college section, junior section, and senior section. In senior section, we are having class 11 and 12, arts and science. And in this campus, we are having students from class nursery to class 10. And we are having around 1,300 students in this section.
So my question is this: that being a student, we can say all the students from a small stage, they're very perfect in the way of talking and the way of explanation. It's unbelievable. So what would you say, sir?
So credit goes to our teachers. They are hard work. The parents also are supportive, and they are getting a right environment in our school. And this is not the first time, as I have already mentioned. This is the 9th time we are doing it biennially. So the students that you are seeing that today they are studying in class 7 means 2 years back when they were in 5, they took part in similar exhibition in the same school. When they were in class 3, at that time also they took part. So in that way, they are properly trained and well experienced students in our school we are having.
These days, what were you planning, sir, being a managing director?
So, we have planned that we will send our students to the different parts of Assam in different competitions, state level competition, even in national level science competition. We are sending our students. Our students took part in IIT Kharagpur, in IIT Guwahati, and in different national science congress. Our students went up to Gujarat, Ahmedabad also. So in that way, we are planning that in our coming days, we can send more students to such nation-based activities, especially in the science and technology platforms.
Many parents, they doesn't know that the people who are staying in the interior of the villages, people, they always look for a good school, but they can find out that where it will be suitable for them. So what we will give a message to a news channel?
So through news channel, we want to appeal our students that different people in and around Tangla, they should come to our school during this coming 3 days, including today. We are having this exhibition. They will interact with our teachers, they will interact with our students, and definitely they will go away with a positive mindset. And that positive mindset will definitely help the common people in and around Tangla.
Okay, so my last question is this, sir. Being you are a managing director, what was the previous or the metric result, sir?
Previous
It's a metric result.
metric result.
Yes.
It was a very good 100% result we had last time, and 96.33% was the highest percentage from our school. Not only from the school, it was in the entire Udalguri district. It was a district topper, and he missed that is a 10th position by just 2 marks. Yeah, though position was not declared officially, but as from the All Assam Students Union, we have came to know that the student has missed the first 10th position only by 2 marks.
Method when a pair of cow, buffalo or oxen are used in this process. When they rotate in the circular motion, the wheel rotates and fill water from the well to the crops. It is used to lift water from a large field or river to the crop field.